Tired of juggling multiple apps to track your time and stay connected with your team? Well, get ready to ditch the chaos because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to automate Clockify using a custom Discord bot, streamlining your workflow and boosting team collaboration like never before. First, make sure you have a Clockify account, a Discord server where you have administrative privileges and Node.js installed on your computer. Let's start by generating a Clockify API key from your Clockify profile settings. This key will allow your bot to interact with your Clockify data. Then, you'll need to create a new Discord application on the Discord developer portal, enabling you to register and manage your bot. Within the Discord developer portal, transform your application into a bot by adding a bot user. Here, you can customize your bot's name, appearance, and permissions. Next, invite the bot to your Discord server using the generated auth to URL, ensuring it has the necessary permissions to execute commands. Now, using your favorite code editor, initiate a new Node.js project and install the Discord and Axios libraries, which will enable you to build your bot and make HTTP requests to the Clockify API. Write the code that handles the bot commands to start, stop, and display the timers. You'll then need to register the commands with Discord so your bot knows what to do when it receives a command. This involves defining the commands, their descriptions, and how they should be handled when invoked. Ensure you properly format the data and make requests to the Clockify API endpoint using your API key. Test your bot commands in your Discord server to ensure everything works correctly. Paying close attention to any error messages from your terminal, you should be able to start and stop timers, retrieve reports, and manage projects directly from Discord. That's it. You've successfully automated Clockify with a Discord bot.